I thought I was walking into chaos. But sometimes, chaos is just a language you haven't learned to read yet. From above, the Akan regions is a landscape of extremes. Red dirt bleeding into concrete. High walls and electric fences. Cutting through open, dusty streets. Down here, at ground level, it feels like pure friction. Craters in the road. A relentless flow of metal. Noise and survival. But look closer. There is no panic. No anger in the gridlock. Every honk, every quick fix on the side of the road. It's part of a massive, unspoken rhythm. People here don't care about the packaging. They care about what works. They adapt, just to keep moving forward. This isn't the postcard version of Africa. This is the raw, unpolished pulse of resilience. And I'm just starting to tune in.